Multiply 3000 by 0.016 using long multiplication. For now, ignore the decimal points. Start with the rightmost digit of the bottom factor, 6. 6 times 0 is 0. The next two digits are also 0, so those columns are 0 too. 6 times 3 is 18. The first partial product is 18,000. Now use the next digit to the left, 1. Start one place to the left. 1 times 0 is 0. The next two digits are also 0, so those columns are 0 too. 1 times 3 is 3. The second partial product is 30,000. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. The ones, tens, and hundreds columns each add to 0. Move right to left, one column at a time. In the thousands column, a plus 0 is 8. In the 10,000s column, 1 plus 3 is 4. The product of the whole numbers is 48,000. Count the highlighted digits after each decimal point. The factors have 3 decimal places altogether, so the product needs 3 decimal places. Place the decimal point 3 places from the right. 48,000 becomes 48.0000. That is simply 48. So 3,000 times 0.016 is 48.